Hello, my lovelies. How's everybody doing in YouTube land today? Good, I hope. Okie dokie. There we have a 2 marker coin, 1958. Another 1958 coin. Got some text on the milled edge there. Right, there we go. The old German. Where's my top part of my... There it is. Yeah, I tidied up my table. Can't find Jack. Okie dokie. Let's go over to the one and only Miss Gorgeous herself, Big Bertha. My camera holder's getting a bit loose. Will it make this one? No, I'll just hold it there. Sorry about the shaking. Right. The centre part of the punch has come out again as well. This always happens. There we go. Okie dokie. Just want to clean up that edge. Punch through. Make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want no cheddar gorges in there or cracks or canyons. Because if you get any cracks in there, the ring's going to split when you start stretching it and pulling it around. It's just a deburring tool. You can get these in hobby shops or even tool shops sell them as well. They're quite cheap. And the blades surprisingly last quite a while. They're really good blades. But like all tools, you can get cheap blades and you can get expensive blades. So get the expensive blades. Because I haven't changed this for a long time. The cheap ones last 5 minutes and you stick another one in. Like anything really, you get what you pay for. You buy crap, it is crap. First thing my electrician said to me when I first started working as apprentice electrician, he says, always get the best tools you can afford. I soon learned. I did buy some cheap stuff, but obviously you soon learn, don't you? Quite messy, this one. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button. Thank you so much. Let's clean it up lovely. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, there's a little red button. Not there. There's a little red button there. Press it. Come on, press it. Press it. You press that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Right, let's show it some love with Bernie. This is called an E-ring. Okie dokie. Yeah, if you want to check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I don't just do rings now, I do cufflinks, bracelets, earrings, keychains. I think that's about it, really. You can also send me your own coins. I can turn them into rings for you. All the rings in my shop, I can adjust the size up or down for you. I can make them bigger, I can make them smaller. So we want this sunny side up on the ring. That goes face down. It won't go in there, will it? It's a bit too bloody small. Let's try this one. Yeah, good. Thing with this stuff is there's no science to it. If it fits, it works, you know. Right, let's go over to Big Red. And then we'll fold this puppy. Oh yeah, butter. Wow. Sorry about the sound effects. Sorry, I know it says sorry about the side effects. I need help. I need lots of help. Help, I need somebody. Just want to clean that edge up. Make sure there's no cracks forming. Or Grand Canyons in there. Cheddar Gorges. Right, absolutely beautiful, eh? I don't know how I do it for the money, I really don't. Okay, so now we'll get most of a bit of kitchen roll here. I've got some left. Now we go over to the one and only Mr. Spike. Oh, this little gadget stretches your ring. Oh dear, I can't help it. I can't help it sometimes, you know. It's you lot that have got the sick mind, not me. I'm normal. What the bloody hell's normal? That's what I want to know. You give it a turn each time, a little bit of a turn, it stretches the ring equally all the way round. Why do I laugh when I say that stuff? I don't always laugh though. Only sometimes. Let's show a bit more love with Bernie. Yeah, you can send me your own coins, I'll turn them into a ring for you. That's pretty gorgeous. That cherry red. Just dry it off a bit. And we'll get a couple more pumps on Spike. Right, there you go. So now there is a small lip. Don't know if you can see it. There's a small lip going around the edge. There's not much of a lip on this one. In fact, there's hardly any, but there is a little bit. So you cut that out. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear and can give you a false sizing. This also makes the ring slightly larger. No more snow today. About -3 degrees C. Little bit of sun today, but okay. Right, let's break out Dave the Dremel. Oh, and look at Kate. She's looking a bit sexy today. Look at that. She's back. She's had a total rebuild. She's beautiful. Hello, Kate. How long are you going to last this time? This is like Quad Zero steel wool. Takes the fire scale off. Doesn't really scratch it. I think I will go with the Edwin look on this one. A bit more volume. If you want this particular coin, it'll be in my shop, and I can make them larger, smaller. I can highly polish it for you. Or I can put a patina on it for you. What's that? How's that looking? Is it? Yeah, the walls are straight. I just looked at it and I thought they're not. Well, I'm looking at it with my eye now. And then walls aren't exactly straight. Yeah, when I put it to the camera, they are straight. So I'll go by my eye, not the camera. I mean, it doesn't need much. I've probably gone too much now. Let's have a look with my eye. Now with my eye, that is now perfect, and yet on the cat, sometimes this happens with the cat. I don't know why, whether it's the lens, it don't look perfectly, but with my eye, it's Spotty Dog. So I'll go with my eye, and we'll stick, I think we'll stick with the Edwin look. There you go. But if you want this highly polished, I will highly polish it for you. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. And God willing, I'll see you tomorrow. Tell you bye-bye.